When French President Emmanuel Macron visited the Nairobi Railways Central Station on Wednesday, a deal was struck that a French consortium will be awarded a tender to build a commuter rail between the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport and the Nairobi Central Business District. It is a project scheduled for completion in the next 2 years, and Alex Mwangi now looks at what such a rail would mean for the city's transport system.
The management of Kenya Railways is seeking to find the optimal use of the 150 kilometers of rail tracks that exist in the city of Nairobi. The planned introduction of diesel multiple units to provide commuter rail services is the next way to go.
We'll be able to accommodate about 300 people in every journey. And you remember there's dropping out and dropping in. That means you can translate that number to around 600 people in one trip. With 11 DMUs, we'll be able to move and clear most of the routes.
French President Emmanuel Macron on Wednesday visited Nairobi's Central Railway Station off Haile Selassie Avenue as a show of commitment to the project to build a dedicated line to the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport.
It is a PPP project where there is a consortium of very world well-known firms are going to invest in the line. The line will be doubled to make sure that the speed for the DMUs, what we call diesel multiple units, the speed is high. For us to have a speed of about 7 kilometers per hour to 80 kilometers per hour, we will come up with a new modernized railway line, which will start from Nairobi Station to JKIA.
For many years, getting to the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport from the Central Business District has been a hassle as far as time is concerned. Once the project to construct the 23-kilometer railway line is complete, Kenyans will be able to make that journey in just 15 minutes.
We will begin operating on a meter-gauge railway line. But once this investment comes in, we'll modernize the railway line into what we call a standard gauge railway line to accommodate those speeds. The program for JKIA line is that when it is completed with the new designs, it will be electrified.
According to Mainga, the project should take 2 years to complete. Alex Mwangi, NTV.